At first glance, these look like two different tote bags, but they're actually the same tote bag. This is my new reversible bandana tote. 2 looks, 1 tote. Hi everyone, welcome back to Eden Unique Creations. This is Beatrice. Today I'm excited to share my newest bandana collection. Over the past several days, I've been working on new products, improving existing designs, and adding a few fun accessories to complete the collection. Let me show you what I've been creating. This project started with an idea I couldn't stop thinking about. I wanted something that offered 2 completely different looks while still keeping the same functionality. One side features this beautiful light lavender bandana print, while the reverse side transforms into a rich, deep purple design. There was a lot of planning involved to make sure both sides looked polished and finished. What I love most is that it feels like having 2 tote bags in one. There are 4 parts of my collection in this video. The first is my reversible tote bag. The second is my new version of my journal organizer. The third part is the keychains, the charms that I made with the bandana fabric. And the fourth are my matching bookmarks. New bandana pattern bookmarks. Some features that I really like that I added to this tote is I added a swivel snap hook that can be used either on the inside or the outside, where you can clip on your charms. I also added a swivel snap hook for the inside for the keys. And I added a zipper pocket to each side of the tote. I apologize if there are too many moments of silence, or I focus too much on my cutting the fabrics, or too many sewing clips, but I'm still learning how to edit videos. Thank you for your patience. And to my subscribers, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. I added 2 lengths of straps, one for the wrists and one for the shoulder strap. I added D-rings in order to be able to use a shoulder strap if wanted. My journal organizer version 2. After creating my original bandana journal organizer, I started thinking about ways to improve the design. This led me to version 2. I made several changes to improve both the functionality and organization. The goal was to create something that could hold journals, notebooks, and everyday essentials while remaining practical and easy to use. I really enjoyed revisiting this design and making improvements based on what I learned from the first version. I added D-rings to be able to use it with the shoulder strap. I added a swivel hook to be able to hook on some charms. and I really love what I did to the inside. On one side, I left the pockets to slip in a journal or pens, and on the other side, I added a zipper pocket. But what I really love is I discovered that I could use my phone through the zipper pocket. On another journal organizer, I experimented with also putting a clear pocket on the outside, and you're able to use your phone without having to take it out of the organizer. Which one do you prefer? Bag charms. Once the larger projects were finished, I wanted to create something fun and playful to accompany the collection. That's where these charms came in. I experimented with different shapes, colors, and fabrics. Each one has its own personality and adds a little extra character to a bag, organizer, or keychain. I interfaced all of the charms. Then it was time to cut.
So cute, 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 so cute. So cute, 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 so cute.
Which is your favorite? Leave it in the comments.
So cute, 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 so cute.
I think they are all cute, but my favorite, I believe, is the dinosaur. Which is your favorite? Leave it in the comments. Bookmarks. To complete the collection, I also created coordinating bookmarks. I chose several bandana-inspired prints that complement the rest of the collection. These are simple but practical and make a great companion to the journal organizers. Seeing everything together has been one of my favorite parts of this project. From the Reversible Tote Bag and Journal Organizer version 2 to the charms and bookmarks, it's exciting to watch an idea grow into a complete collection. Thank you so much for joining me on this creative journey. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment letting me know which item is your favorite. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next project. Bye!